Welcome to all. So here is an opportunity from the Quest Global. So software engineer position, Bangalore location. Quest Global is an organization at the forefront of innovation and one of the world's fastest growing engineering services firms with a deep domain knowledge and recognized expertise in the top OEMs across 7 industries. We are a 25-year-old company on a journey to becoming a centenary one driven by aspiration, hunger and humility. సో కంపెనీ గురించి ఇచ్చారు, ఒకసారి ప్లీజ్ గో త్రూ ఇట్. అండ్ రోల్స్ అండ్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీస్ ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేశారు. సో వర్కింగ్ విత్ ఆయిల్ అండ్ గ్యాస్ డొమైన్ డేటా సోర్సెస్, అనలైజింగ్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ టు డెవలప్ డాష్ బోర్డ్స్ అండ్ రిపోర్ట్స్. సో డేటా సైన్స్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఇది సూటబుల్ జాబ్. అండ్ others can also apply, those who are having the skills. So bachelor's degree in engineering or computers or stats, so 0 to 1 years freshers can apply for it. Road to data science, strong analytical skills and with height and attention to detail and accuracy. Hands-on experience on Power BI, Tableau, etc. Expertise in MS Suite. So we desired qualifications. Interested students can apply for it, and the link is provided in the description box. And you can like the video and share to your friends also, those who are in need.